In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Saks Fifth discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you have to search for Saks Fifth discount promo code. Go to this website right here, which is called Coupon Follow, and as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes right here that we can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get, let's say this one right here with a 10% discount, select this button where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy, and you can apply this one on your next order to get a 10% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Simply Codes. And here we have a list with other promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts as well. So if you want to get this one right here with a 10% discount, select this button where it says your code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy, and you can apply this promo code so that you can get a 10% discount on your next order. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.